Going to university 2007. Yeah, going to university 2007.
Hello?
Hello, Rob.
Wait, are you me from the future?
Yep.
You look awful.
Oh, I mean, come on, there's no need to be horrible.
Okay.
Where are you going?
University. You should know that, though.
Oh, yes. Don't bother.
Don't bother what?
Going to university? There's this global financial crash in 2008. You won't be able to find work for a while after graduating.
All right, mate. Whatever.
Going to Glastonbury 2016. The atmosphere's gonna be crazy. Going to Glastonbury 2016. The atmosphere's gonna be crazy. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, not you again.
How's job seekers?
Well, you should know.
Yep, I do.
What is it this time?
Are you off to Glastonbury Festival this year?
Yes. Why?
Well, Britain votes to leave the EU and the atmosphere is tragic.
No. I'll put a bet down. We're going to stay in the EU. The Illuminati don't want that.
Well, we do. We do definitely switch a bet. Better odds too. The Illuminati had never heard of Cambridge Analytica, so swap your bet round.
Cambridge what? You know what? Don't worry about it. Whatever, mate.
Going Australia 2020. Hopefully those fires have calmed down. Going Australia 2020. Hope those Australian fires have calmed down. I'm gonna come back for some weddings in the UK. Come back for some weddings in the UK.
Oh, God.
How did the bet go?
What do you have for me this time?
You going abroad?
Yes. Australia. But you know that.
Yep.
Why? What happens this time? More fires?
No, nothing. Have a great time.
Oh, thank God. Oh my goodness, I was so worried. Amazing.
Yeah, it's just when you get back.
Eh?
You won't be going to any friends' weddings you had lined up this year, that's for sure.
Okay, why not?
Well, there's this global virus pandemic. It's a bit like 2008 with the banks, but this time it's a virus that you've heard a little bit about.
Oh, that was back in November. It's February now.
Yeah.
The world would have reacted way faster if it was that serious.
Yeah, well, they didn't. They don't.
Mate, alright, whatever.